about making delicious cookies in just 20 minutes using ingredients you already have at home? Quick, easy, and made with pantry staples, this recipe is sure to become a tea time favorite. Ingredients: 1½ cups vegetable oil, 1 cup powdered sugar, 1 packet vanilla or 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 packet baking powder, about 10 grams, and flour, just enough to reach the right consistency. Ready? Let's get started. First, pour 1½ cups of vegetable oil into your mixing bowl. Next, add 1 cup of powdered sugar. Now it's time for the vanilla and baking powder. Add both and mix everything well. Start adding flour gradually. Keep adding until you get a soft, non-sticky dough that you can easily shape. Once the dough is ready, break off walnut-sized pieces, roll them in your hands, and place them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees 350 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the tops are lightly golden. And that's it! Your home will be filled with the irresistible smell of freshly baked cookies. Enjoy! Place the round dough balls on the lined baking tray like this. Then gently press each one with a fork to give it a bit of shape. Feel free to get creative and use a different tool or style. It's totally up to you. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius 350 Fahrenheit, ideally with fan and top-bottom heat. Carefully place the tray in the oven, and now we wait patiently while they bake. As the cookies slowly bake, the warm scent of vanilla and powdered sugar fills the kitchen. Outside, it might be windy or rainy, but inside, something cozy and joyful is baking. Sometimes, the sweetest moments begin with a tray of cookies. So, go ahead and prepare your coffee or tea. These cookies are almost ready to come out of the oven. And here they come, fresh out of the oven. Slightly golden, with beautifully cracked tops, practically calling out to be eaten. Just as they should be, slightly crispy on the outside, soft and melt in your mouth on the inside. These beauties are known as shortbread cookies or crinkle cookies. Some even call them vanilla home-style cookies. Whatever the name, the taste is unforgettable. Now, carefully arrange your cookies on a serving plate. Pair them with a hot cup of tea or some delicious Turkish coffee. And of course, share them with your loved ones. And just like that, another cozy, homemade recipe is complete. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Your support means the world to us and helps us bring you more quick and tasty recipes like this one. Until we meet again in the next video, wishing you more flavors from the home, the kitchen, and the heart. For now, take care and enjoy every bite.